The problem of skepticism is one that has plagued philosophers and thinkers for centuries. It challenges our ability to attain certain knowledge by casting doubt on the very foundations of our beliefs and perceptions. At its core, skepticism is the idea that we cannot know anything for certain, and that all of our beliefs are ultimately based on unproven assumptions. This is a deeply troubling concept, as it calls into question everything we think we know about the world around us. If we cannot know anything for certain, how can we make decisions, draw conclusions, or even hold a conversation? The problem of skepticism forces us to confront the limits of our own understanding, and to acknowledge that there may be fundamental truths about the universe that are beyond our grasp. One of the most famous expressions of skepticism comes from the philosopher René Descartes, who famously declared, "I think, therefore I am." Descartes' point was that even if we cannot know anything for certain, we can be certain of our own existence, because we are able to think and reason. This argument has been debated and refined over the centuries, but it remains a powerful statement of the human capacity for knowledge. But even this seemingly irrefutable statement is not without its skeptics. Some philosophers have argued that even our own existence is not certain, and that we may be living in a computer simulation or a dream. This may sound far-fetched, but it underscores the depth of the problem of skepticism and the challenges it presents to our understanding of the world. So, what can we do in the face of such uncertainty? One approach is to embrace a kind of pragmatic skepticism, in which we acknowledge that we may never be able to attain certain knowledge, but that we can still make useful and meaningful decisions based on the best available evidence. This is the approach taken by scientists, who are constantly testing and refining their hypotheses in the face of new evidence and insights. Ultimately, the problem of skepticism challenges us to be humble and open-minded in our pursuit of knowledge. It reminds us that there are always limits to what we can know, and that we must be willing to question our own assumptions and beliefs in order to make progress. This is not an easy task, but it is one that is essential if we hope to continue to learn, grow, and evolve as a species.